Hello, my name is Serena and I'm going to tell you about distortion. As you get really loud, as you go through pieces of gear, you're going to find that gear will start causing distortion. We can also call this the non-linear range of the piece of equipment. But what actually happens when we hit that point of distortion, that amplitude at which the device starts acting in a strange way? We find that as we start pushing more and more level into that threshold of distortion, we start getting more and more high-end. In fact, we can consider that volume variations turn in timbre variations. Actually, distortion makes the signal brighter and brighter, and we can hear it, for example, when an electric guitar player plugs into his amplifier and turns up the drive. So that's a great musical usage of distortion. But there are many times when you want to avoid distortion. For example, when you want a clean vocal. When you're recording a vocalist, there are numerous places in your signal flow that it can distort. The microphone itself can distort. If you have the microphone too close to the singer mouth, it can possibly distort. So, to avoid that, move the microphone farther away, maybe use a pop filter. Try to avoid those kind of loud impulses of sounds. As you get the microphone preamp, you should be very careful to avoid the red range. And one more term needs to be mentioned. It's clipping. Clipping is a type of distortion. It's often referring to digital distortion. There is a clipping indicator in the DAW. There are kind of red lights that pop on if you go above that kind of digital maximum. Okay, so there are musical uses of distortion, and there are times we want to avoid it. We just want to be very aware of it. That's the main idea about distortion. Many thanks for your attention. Bye.